guys, this is Arnav and welcome to Arnav's Mind Bender. In this video, we'll discuss about how to solve the first layer of a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. But before we go into the method of solving the cube, let's explore some basics and background information. Now let's take the cube apart and check out the components of the puzzle. You'll notice that there are 3 different types of pieces on the cube. The first type of piece is called the centerpiece. Each centerpiece holds one color. There are 6 centers in total because each center represents a side of the cube, as a cube contains 6 sides. The color of the center tells you what the color of the entire side should be. For example, if the side has a yellow center, then the entire side should be yellow when the cube is solved. The second type of piece is called an edge, which holds 2 colors. An edge is a type of piece that fits in between 2 centers. For example, this blue and red edge fits in between the blue and red centers. The third type of piece is a corner, which holds 3 colors. A corner is a type of piece that fits in between 3 centers. For example, this blue, red and yellow corner fits in between the blue, red and yellow centers. Now let's talk about how the cube moves. Each side can be rotated clockwise or anti-clockwise. These moves on a cube can be denoted with cube notation, which begins with associating each side of the cube with a letter. The letters we use here are R, L, U, D, F and B. R stands for right, L stands for left, U for up, D for down, F for front and B for back layers when rotated clockwise, and just a little apostrophe sign, which is also called a prime sign, is added to these notations when the same task is to be done anti-clockwise. Double rotations are notated with the 2 following the letter. Now, as we have learned the components and rotation illustrations of the cube, let's take a look at the method and then apply our knowledge to solve the cube. First, we'll hold the cube with the yellow center facing upwards. Then we'll find the 4 edge pieces which have the white color, which will have to be placed around the yellow center so that it looks like the flower daisy. 1 white piece is already beside the yellow center. We have to find 3 more edge pieces. I found 1 edge piece here. If I rotate this layer 2 times upwards like this, it has also come beside the yellow center. Now I found 1 piece here. If I rotate this layer upwards like this, it will come beside the yellow center, but it will kick out this edge piece. So, if I rotate this layer clockwise like this and then rotate this layer upwards, this piece also gets solved. Now there is only 1 piece left. It is here and we have to bring it here. This situation is just like the previous one. If we rotate this layer clockwise like this and then rotate this layer upwards, this piece also gets solved. Now, sometimes there occurs a situation in which the piece is below its supposed location. In this way, we'll perform the algorithm F prime, U prime, R, U to solve the piece. And sometimes there occurs a situation in which if we flip the piece also gets solved. In this situation, we'll perform the algorithm F, U prime, R, U to solve the piece, and our daisy is done. In this, we'll hold the cube with the yellow center facing upwards and the blue center facing towards us. Then we'll rotate the top layer until the white-blue edge is matching with the yellow and blue centers respectively. Now we'll rotate the front layer 2 times so that this edge piece is matching with the white and blue center pieces as well. We'll perform the same activity with other pieces as well. And now our white cross is completed. Note that whenever you are solving the white corner pieces, the cross should be facing upwards. So you must be thinking that 1 piece is already in its intended location, but it isn't, as the other colors of the piece are not matching with the centers. So we'll look for the other pieces in the lowermost layer. I found 1 piece here. It is the white, green and orange corner piece. It will fit here between the white, green and orange centerpieces. In other words, this piece will replace this piece to match with the white, green and orange centers. In this situation, when the piece is below its intended location in this way, we'll hold the cube in such a way that the intended location is in the right layer and then perform the algorithm D prime, R prime, D, R to solve the piece. Now I found one piece here. It is the white, orange, blue corner piece, so it will be fitted here between the white, orange and blue centers. In this situation also, we'll hold the cube with the intended location in the right layer and then perform the algorithm R prime, D prime, R. So let us find the other pieces as well. I couldn't find a piece in the lower layer, but I found a piece in the lower facet. It is the white, blue and red corner piece, so it will fit here between the white, blue and red center pieces. In such situation, we'll hold the cube with in this situation also we'll hold the cube with the intended location in the right layer and then perform the algorithm R prime, D2, R, D, R prime, D prime, R. Now there is only one piece remaining. It is here and we have to bring it here. As I've already told you the algorithm for this, I'll skip this one. Sometimes there occurs a situation in which if we twist the piece like this, the piece gets solved. In this situation, we'll perform the algorithm R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R. Sometimes there occurs a situation in which if we twist the piece like this to solve, the piece gets solved. In this situation, we'll perform the algorithm F, D, F prime, D2, R prime, D prime, R. And we are done. The first layer is complete. Thanks for watching guys, and in my next video, we'll discuss about how to solve the second layer of a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Please like, subscribe and share this video as much as possible, and don't forget to ring the bell icon.